tracking the latest developments on the day's big breaking story, and that would be the coronavirus.
Yes, there are now 2 presumed cases, both in eastern Pennsylvania. Here's the big picture right now. Today, President Trump visited the Centers for Disease Control in Atlanta. He signed an $8.3 billion coronavirus funding bill. But the U.S. did not complete its goal of 1 million coronavirus tests by the end of the week. Fears about the coronavirus sent the markets down sharply again today. And new tonight, the Penguins say they've been following the recommendations of the CDC and the NHL, and they've been communicating with UPMC about coronavirus safety and prevention.
And Peggy, their next game is tomorrow afternoon at home against Washington. We have live Team 11 coverage at 5, looking at all angles of this big story. We start with Channel 11's Rick Earl on the breaking news desk in our newsroom. Rick.
Yeah, David, the virus is inching closer to the Pittsburgh area. 2 people in eastern Pennsylvania now have presumed positive cases, but state leaders say they're ready.
We are prepared to respond to an incident just like this one.
State leaders trying to calm nerves after announcing 2 presumed confirmed cases of coronavirus in Pennsylvania. The patients are in Wayne and Delaware counties in the eastern part of the state.
They are both at home, they are in isolation or quarantine, and at the same time, they are in good physical condition.
Officials aren't giving specific details about them, but we're told both people got the virus while traveling.
Right now, the emphasis of the plan is mitigation tactics to keep this virus from spreading widely.
The state health department is now finding out who the patients have been in contact with. If those people were around the patients during the illness, they will also be quarantined. But a doctor here in Pittsburgh told us the spread is inevitable.
There's going to be a lot of cases for 2 reasons. One is that it's a very contagious virus. And number 2, we're now testing for it. And when you start testing for any condition, you start making more and more diagnoses.
Health officials say now is the time to prepare.
We have to control the spread of this disease by what we do day in, day out in our daily lives.
And that means washing your hands, covering your nose and mouth when you sneeze or cough, not touching your face, and staying home if you feel sick.
The confirmation of these presumed positive cases should serve as a reminder of the role that every Pennsylvanian must continue to play.
Now, the patients in eastern Pennsylvania still need their results to be confirmed by the Centers for Disease Control. Of course, as soon as that happens, we'll let you know. Reporting live from the breaking news desk this evening, Rick Earl, Channel 11 News.